gonna go with they're wrong on this one, and we're going for it because I have to go back to work. That's a 35 knotter. Woo-hoo-hoo! Hold on. We're just gonna call this training day. Well, the weather changed. Still even. It's looking like it's gonna be blowing 15 to 25 across the strait, gusting to 30 some odd.
35.
Yeah. I'm gonna go with they're wrong on this one, and we're going for it because I have to go back to work. Famous last words. Trusty co-pilot looking back, making sure we don't get run over. Making 9 some odd knots right now, and hauling the mail. Should be hitting Discovery Island in about an hour, 50 minutes, and then we're probably gonna get our butts kicked for a little bit, but we'll get home. It'll work. Right now we are hauling the mail, doing 10-6, 10-7, 10-8. A lot of boils around. Look, a lot of current. Looks pretty cool.
We are headed out. Going for it. Cross your fingers.
It's gonna be fun. I'm excited.
It is windy. 23.
Really?
Yeah.
Oh, good. Woohoo! Look at that hydrovane working its ass off. Woohoo!
Good job.
Doing great.
What's that? Now it's really windy.
That's a 25 knotter. I'm gonna pull in a little more jib, I think, here in a bit. We'll
Yes.
see what this stuff is.
This is gnarly. Holy shit. Woo! I think this is a little worse than we thought, George.
A little bit. Alright.
It's not too late to turn back. It's really not. It's gnarly right now. I'm a little nervous, not gonna lie. I think this is the roughest weather I've ever been in.
It was pretty sweet. It's not bad. We're kicking ass and taking names out here. Lindsay's loving it. Woo-hoo-hoo! Woo-hoo-hoo!
You stopped filming and
No, you're on it. We're just gonna call this training day.
That was a big wave that got over. We didn't get it on film, but it washed all the way through here.
The dinghy's still there, that's good. Hold on. I think we're fine. Or if we got dumped,
We're gonna get dumped? We're coming into PA! Yay! Oh, the seas have calmed down a little bit. George is up there.
Lindsay wanted to stay out there longer, but I begged her to come in.